Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Monday morning. So we've got the little book out, but as you know, last week we used up the final page in the book. So I have finished it off by decorating the inside cover, and I put a few words here. This has been handcrafted with love, care for it well and the love will multiply. Oh. So I've added a little bit of cloth washi and some spare pieces of paper that I had kicking about, and I also did, that was last week's, I also did the back page, and this says, and so the story ends. But the story doesn't really end, but it ends for this book. So that's that book finished, and we have a plan for the next few weeks, week 44 to week 52, and we have decisions are made, but I'll show you what I had. I have these books come in a pack of 3, so I have this brand new one, and I thought I only have, now let's see, is it 8 weeks left, maybe 44 to 45, 5 plus 2, 7 weeks left, and it would only use up 7 pages of that, and then that would be, then it would be used for something else. So I decided against that. Then I have this third one, which I started using, and it does have a few pages done. I was doing some while back, some mixed media pages, and these are the ones that were done ages and ages ago, before my channel, before I started filming things. These pages were done in this little book, and like that, it's nice. She was to remember all her dreams come true. Isn't it nice looking back on things that you've done a long time ago? Thoughts that whisper to my heart always remind me of her. Find your balance, take your time. So I thought, will I flip it over and start from the back for my last 7 or 8 weeks? But then those pages would be upside down. So then I thought, why not just straightforwardly carry on, leave a space because it's a bit messy there, leave that space and just carry on with the collages in this book, and then this book can just be, once the 7 or 8 weeks is up, it can just be used again for some collage or for some mixed media, and it just becomes all part of the book. So that's what I decided, and that means I've still got a nice new one left for another day, and I've got this complete one. And what I'll do is I'll do the cover kind of much like this, but I will put, instead of collage assignments, I'll make a little list maybe, and I'll do mixed media, collage assignments, and then whatever maybe the rest of the book is going to be. And that's it decided. So you might have noticed that I've written out this week's. So here we go. Something sweet, fabric, a place, graph paper, something you hold in your hand, and the bonus is something crooked. So I'm not going to use the bonus, I'm going to do all the 5 other ones. So that's what I'm going to do. And this is going to live on the crafty shelf, take pride of place. It's thoroughly enjoyed doing. So let's just move things a little bit, and I've got my little bundle here. So something sweet. I have a pineapple, fabric, I have this little piece of fabric here, which I thought matched the pineapple, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have it slightly out so that it's a bookmark, like a, not a bookmark, like a tab, so that I can see where the collages assignments start. So I'm going to put that round about there. A place, I have this to represent New York. It's the Chrysler building. It's my favourite New York building. It's absolutely beautiful. We've been to New York maybe 6-7 times over the years, maybe even more than that. We love it. It's got a real vibe and that we love. So that's my place. Graph paper. I have this large piece of graph paper which is going to go just as a background to my little scene. And something you hold in your hand. So what do we have in our hand? Or what do you see in people's hands nearly all the time now? Their phones. So here we have Betty and Marge. And Betty and Marge are having a bit of a gab, and they're like, Betty, come round to my bit and see the pineapple I've got. It's bigger than the Chrysler building. Marge is like, really? You've got a big pineapple? Yes. I think that's pretty cute. What do you think? Yeah, let's go for that. So Betty and Marge are talking about Betty's big pineapple. So let's get our graph paper down. Here we are. So this is Sunday early afternoon here, and we are going out after I do this video to get a new printer because our printer died. Well, the printer and the laptop, both pretty old, and they have both given up the goose. Or given up the ghost, is it? The goose? The ghost? I don't know. So we bought a new Apple Mac thing, laptop. I think I'm going to put that there. So we've had that a little while now, and we really need a printer. Not that I print that much, but I want to start printing off the odd photograph so that I can do a little bit of journaling. I'm just going to pop that there. Yes, I want to add some photographs, some new pictures, and I've got a whole load of pictures in my phone that I want to get printed off from days out and coffees out and things I want to record in my journal. So I really need to get a printer. I've got one of those little receipt printers, you know, one of those little black and white ones, but and that's good. Oh no, that's not right. Further down than that. And that's good for a bit of fun, but to have a nice proper little photograph in your journal. And let's get Betty on, and let's get Marge on. I wonder what Marge will say when she sees Betty's big pineapple. They look like they're having fun anyway. They look like they're having a giggle. A right good blether. A good chin wag. Or whatever it is you call it in wherever you are in the world. We call it a blether here. I don't think blether's a Scottish thing. I think blether is it? Is blether a word where you are? A gab, a blether. I think I'm probably going to need my bring the big guns out for this. Ooh. So the year is nearly finished in the collage book. That seems to make the year go fast, doesn't it? From Monday to Monday. Oh, that glue smells quite strong today. I haven't really smelt it like that before. There we are. I wonder if I should have stitched down that first to give it a little bit of interest, but it's got a nice pattern on it. Right, is that us then? Whoops, that stuck to my finger there. Yes, and now I can see where the collages start. And then when we get to the end in 6 or 7 pages time, we can put another tag on. Yeah, might put even a wee charm or a wee dangly thing on it. Okay, so that's us. Something sweet, fabric, a place, graph paper, and something you hold in your hand is your phone. So that's us. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.